Alright. Alright. Check it out. For self-work, we got, in your eyes, there's only two options when no die. I forgot how you do it. Alright, so you like, alright, Christmas, but alright, let's put the cowboy. Or man backpack. Alright, here it is. Explaining why my team is really good. I just made a new team. Because, well, I tried to record it and it didn't save because it's being a total kick in the nuts. I've always wanted the cyborg candy, by the way. So, you know. Alright, Sheriff Cartman's a freaking tank. He, Space Warrior token, him right here. Well, he rushes in and gets a really big hit. Like, it's a big hit, and then he's still good when he gets in. Marine Craig, when he gets in, he shoots poison, and he does that every once in a while. Dog Poo, well, he's an epic, and he's really good. Really freaking good. Mind control, because, well, it mind controls the other player's team. So if Man Bear Pig, I'll mind control him. Alien Clyde does the same thing as Marine Craig, like shoots poison. After that, he's not as good though. Oh jeez. Marcus does. He's like the drugs man. He's from an episode of South Park. Really funny episode. And yeah, he's really good. He throws like a bag of something, like a bag of drugs at the you know, like when your character's at a stack while the other player, he throws a bag at them and does a lot of damage. Barrel Doggy, I can't explain this one. So we're gonna look at it. Does an extra 42 damage to the leader on the first hit. Alright. Charge damage or enemies with his bullet tantrum. Rushes and strikes the nearest enemy. Poisons the enemy leader in close by enemies. Crap. Same one. Dog food. Hits hard with the masterful welging dog turd. Damn it. I took out Alien Clyde again. Alright. Let me get Alien Clyde back on. Yeah, get back on. Alright. Controls the target. Controls the target enemy for 7 seconds. Shoots poison at a random enemy. That's his Warsy. Alright. Throws a drug pillow at an enemy leader, dealing 30 damage. Yeah, that's what I thought, a drug pillow. Alright, we already read this one. Astronaut Butters is not a good card. Speeds his closest ally leader 4 seconds. Alright, Nathan. Deals area damage with exploding bombs. PC Principal, I don't use him that much. Knocks back Social Injustice with PC pushes. Terrence Filipino. Meza Flying bomb area deals damage. Alright. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Good day for you, and thanks for watching.